Hey there, how we all doing today? Today is a great day. As you can see here, we are looking at a Seiko 5. And by this extra long box, you guys probably guessed we're looking at a Naruto Boruto collection. They come in these really cool scroll-like boxes, and they got the little elastic band in the middle there that you open up. There you got the postcards and the warranty in the box. I noticed that not all the models come with the postcards. Maybe Seiko just forgot to put a few in here and there. So if you get a box and it doesn't have the postcards, it happened to me a few times. So um, I don't know what they're doing, but some have the postcards, some don't. But that's boring. Let's go start talking about this watch. This watch is killer. Look at that kind of spiral design on the dial there. This is the SBSA087, and we are talking about the Seiko Boruto watch. Yes, this is Naruto's son, Boruto, and the collection is named after Naruto and his son Boruto. So this is one of the big guys in this watch series. So it's very exciting to take a look at it. I just love the colors, you know, really killer. And that dial, you just look at it, it kind of just takes you right in. There's easy way Seiko could have gone cheap with this collection, but they really make all the little details of these watches stand out, and they just look so neat, so cool. As I said before, I'm not too familiar with this anime. It is an internationally popular anime, probably one of the biggest animes in the world. And, but even not into it, I just look at these watches and they're freaking cool. And, it makes me maybe want to check them out, see what's going on in these animes here. Again, they're internationally popular. They're based from Japan. They're Japanese anime. And so the main character started with Naruto, and this is Boruto, Naruto's son. And you saw there on the back, you've got the Uzumaki clan's Kamen. That's, I guess, like their crest going on the back there. You can't see it usually because the NATO style strap covers it up, but it is just cool. Every one of the series has their own little Kamen printed on the back. So here we go. This is a Seiko 5, and it's based on the SKX models. And I think what happened is Seiko saw everybody modding out their watches, and they're like, we can get into it too. So they decided to take different properties like the Street Fighter series and in this one, the Naruto series, and they said, hey, we can mod out our watches too. Check these out. And they're really cool. You can see that NATO style strap. Just all the little details, even the little the colorings, the bezel, the side of the bezel kind of matches the inside of the dial. Just, they went all out in it, and it's just cool to see that. And this is got a movement, the 4R36, and that's basically Seiko's Workhorse movement. They kind of throw it in a lot of their watches. You find it in the Seiko Turtles and the Seiko Samurais as well. But this watch in particular, even though it looks like a dive watch, it is not a dive watch. It's 100-meter water resistant, but it does not have the screw down crown. And these watches go for $460. And they are a limited edition production run of 6,500 pieces. And here you can see the watch on my wrist. My wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist, and the watch case is 42.5 millimeter. And it just looks cool. Take a look at it here in the sunlight. I like it better in the sun than indoors myself. You really get to see that spiral on the dial. Phenomenal. The case thickness is 13.4 millimeters. It feels a little thicker because of the NATO strap. And here we can see it in the dark. Phenomenal lume. Whenever they do these kind of series, I'm always worried how the lume's going to be, but some of the models have great lume, some not so much. This Boruto one, as you can see, phenomenal lume. I'd like to thank you guys. Have a good one.